Joe Beermaster here. We have a 2009 Nissan Altima. I'm going to show you how to change the mirror. This one is broken. These mirrors come in different styles. This style has a mirror and a cap, which we had to paint. I'll show you the other side. The style we have on this car is a plain one. It's got a cap on it, a painted cap. They also come in this style with a light. Black cap, could come in painted. Some are electric, some are manual. This one's heated, that's the heat signature. The best way to order a mirror is from the VIN number. So this one I'm going to show you how to install it. First we're going to install the body, then put the cap on. First we got to get this one off. First thing we're going to go is on the inside. And we're going to take this trim panel off. I already loosened it up. Pretty much going to pull this back, pull that on this. You're going to use two hands when you do it. That slides right out. As you can see in here, there are three 10mm bolts that hold it on and a little wire. I'm going to press this little button, pull that out. So that's out. So the next thing is to take those 10mm out, and we're going to use a ratchet. Got a little extension on there. You know, watch you don't drop these screws or the wrench. Like I just dropped it. You can actually put this mirror on without taking the trim panel off if you're careful, which is a good thing because sometimes it takes quite a while to do it. Take them out. And of course we got the last one, so you want to hold one hand here and unscrew it because you don't want it to fall off and land on the side of your car and scratch the panel. Sometimes I got a little clip that holds them in. We're going to pull that out, and that was simple. Basically what we're going to do is get the new one. You can see it's got the little electric plug in there. So these new mirrors have little caps on them. Where the screws are, we're going to take them off. That's just to protect it. And one's missing. Now we're going to put the mirror on. Basically it goes in the same way. Line the studs to the hole. We're going to get that in first. Then we are going to hook up the electric. So I have to stop videotaping there. That's how you put it together. Slide it back in, tighten the bolts, plug the electric in, and put the trim on. But in this case, the owner supplied this mirror, this new mirror, and the studs are actually different than the studs on the original. They're spacing. So he ordered the wrong mirror, so we can't put this in. But you have to make sure you order the mirror for the right year. Make sure you order the mirror for the right year so it will fit properly. Little complication. Joe Beermaster.